Hey there, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of HTML, the foundation of web development. But don't worry, we're going to keep it simple. In this video, we'll break down what HTML is and why it's essential for building websites. HTML is like the foundation of a house. It's the code that creates the structure, the layout, and the content of a web page. You can think of it as the language that web browsers use to interpret and display the information on a web page. HTML uses a system of tags to define elements on a page. These tags are like instructions for the browser, telling it how to display the content. Tags are usually enclosed in angle brackets, like P for a paragraph or H1 for a top-level heading. They come in pairs, with an opening tag and a closing tag, like P and /P. Everything between the opening and closing tags is affected by that tag's instructions. HTML provides structure and meaning to the content on a web page. For example, if you want to add a heading to your web page, you use an H1 tag. If you want to create a list, you use all for an unordered list and leave for list items. HTML also allows us to link to other web pages. By using the A tag, we can create hyperlinks to navigate from one web page to another. These links are the foundation of the interconnected web we all use every day. HTML makes it possible to insert images into web pages with the img tag. You provide the source, src, attribute to specify the image file's location. This is what allows us to include pictures and graphics on websites. While it's crucial to understand the basic structure and elements of HTML, there's no need to memorize all the tags. In the real world, web developers rely on search engines and references to find the right tags and attributes. There are also many user-friendly web development tools available that help you create web content without needing to write HTML from scratch. In conclusion, HTML is the backbone of the internet. It's the language that enables us to create, structure, and connect content on the web. And the good news is, you don't have to be a tech genius to understand it. With a little practice and some simple guidance, anyone can grasp the essentials of HTML and start building their web pages. So, if you're curious about web development or want to understand the language behind the websites you visit every day, HTML is a fantastic place to start. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more content.